On this channel, I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up. Hello everyone. Welcome to lesson 21 of Mandarin Chinese. Today, we continue learning about the landscape. A mountain is called Shan. 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 A coast is called Hai An. Hai An. Hai An. A swamp is called Jiao Ze. Jiao Ze. Jiao Ze. A cliff is called Xuan Ya. Xuan Ya. Xuan Ya. Now, let's review the words again. Shan, Hai An, Jiao Ze, Xuan Ya. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.